I'm Brandon Boor. I'm an associate professor of civil engineering at Purdue University. When we think of outdoor air pollution and sources of air pollution, we typically think of traffic, industrial activities, but we seldom think of buildings. So our new study demonstrated that buildings are continually releasing volatile chemicals to the outdoor atmosphere, and that is occurring through the building HVAC system, as you can see behind me. Within the indoor environment, there are a variety of personal and consumer products that are used, various activities that are releasing volatile chemicals to the air. These chemicals can build up within the indoor environment, and then they're released to the outdoor environment through the building HVAC system. So our study showed that buildings can have a measurable impact on outdoor concentrations of these volatile chemicals by continually releasing them through the building HVAC system. So we conducted an intensive field measurement campaign in a high-performance office building here in central Indiana using a variety of state-of-the-art air quality instruments. And we found that buildings behave as a dynamic source and sink for urban air pollutants. So what we found is that buildings are continually emitting volatile organic compounds to the outdoor atmosphere. They can also remove outdoor ozone and particulate matter that passes into the building. And much of these processes are occurring within the building HVAC system. This is where outdoor air enters the building and indoor air leaves the building. So we found that there's this dynamic interaction between the building and its surrounding outdoor atmosphere, and this interaction is being mediated by the building HVAC system. So our new study demonstrated that buildings are an important source of volatile chemicals to the outdoor atmospheric environment. Based on the findings of our study, we need to consider buildings as a source of air pollutants within urban environments. We need to consider what is being emitted from buildings to the outdoor environment and how that compares to other sources of outdoor air pollution. We need improved monitoring of building-related emissions of volatile chemicals within densely populated cities like Chicago and New York City. And we need to be thinking more broadly on how emerging sources of air pollutants are affecting the air quality within our cities in the United States. So traditionally we think about filtering the outdoor air that is entering our buildings, but based on the findings of our study, we would also want to start thinking about how to clean the air that is leaving the building, that's being exhausted from the building to the outdoor environment through the HVAC system. In this case, we can think about removing the volatile chemicals that are generated within the building before they get to the outdoor environment. This would both improve indoor air quality and outdoor air quality, and remove emerging sources of chemical contaminants that may find their way to the outdoor environment.